Are you having trouble sleeping? In this video we will share some tips that will undoubtedly help you to sleep and rest more. To get a good night's sleep, Harvard Medical School, in the United States, points out the following tips. 1. Exercise. With exercise you burn energy, you get tired and it is easier for you to fall asleep and sleep more deeply. 2. Your bed is only for sleeping. Avoid watching television, eating, checking social networks, working and even talking on the phone in your bed. Your body will associate the bed with sleeping and not with doing other activities. 3. Establish a routine. Although sometimes it takes a bit of effort, it is essential to try to sleep and wake up at the same time. Train your body to always sleep at the same time. 4. Smoking prohibited. Smoking affects health and nicotine has an adverse effect on the body to fall asleep. 5. Avoid caffeine. If you have trouble sleeping, avoid coffee, sodas, and caffeinated teas, especially in the afternoon or when bedtime approaches. 6. I want to sleep, I will take sleeping pills. These substances are definitely not good allies. Always go to a specialist, and if they are prescribed, it should be for the shortest possible time. 7. Drink less alcohol. Although by depressing the nervous system it can help you sleep, the effect wears off in a few hours and can cause you to wake up in the middle of the night feeling dehydrated, snoring and even breathing problems. 8. Naps. No more than 20 minutes to replenish energy and they are in the middle of the day. 9. Don't toss and turn. If after 20 minutes you can't fall asleep, get up, grab a book, walk for a while, breathe fresh air, drink hot tea and go back to bed. 10. Avoid exaltation. Do not read the news before going to sleep, avoid listening to loud music, eliminate any negative or stressful thoughts from your mind. Visualize things or landscapes that make you feel happy and relaxed. Put these simple tips into practice and change from, "I want to sleep," to, "I can sleep." Lack of sleep is a common evil in modern society. Today's fast pace of life, lack of time to perform multiple tasks and occupations, worries, poor diet and lack of physical activity can cause insomnia. Sleeping the prescribed hours and achieving restful sleep is what guarantees that human beings are in optimal conditions to face their daily challenges. In addition, it offers multiple benefits for health, mood and especially for memory and learning, as revealed by a recent study carried out in Germany by the Dr. Jan Born for the Institute of Psychological Medicine and Behavioral Neurobiology of the University of Tübingen. In fact, general practitioners and internists report that when asking their patients the reason for their visit, they often find the phrase, "I want to sleep." This has the consequence that the health and life of the patient is affected in many ways, since lack of sleep produces anxiety, fatigue, depression and bad mood, in addition to affecting the ability to concentrate in physical performance. That is why it is often they hear friends and family say that the hours of the day are not enough for everything they have to do. Although taking medications for sleep and relaxation such as sleeping pills and anxiolytics is usually the fast track to help you fall asleep, they are not always effective in the long term and also create dependency. Please remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos.